everyone, and welcome to my English pages. Today we will be discussing 10 ways to say thank you in English. We will also suggest 10 different ways to respond to thanks. Expressing gratitude is an important aspect of communication, and there are many ways to do it in English. So, whether you're tired of using the same old phrases or just want to learn some new expressions, this video is for you. Let's get started with the 10 alternative ways to say thank you in English. These are arranged from the least formal to the most formal. Here are the expressions. I owe you one. Thanks a million. I'm thankful. Much obliged. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me. I'm forever indebted. I can't thank you enough. Your help is greatly appreciated. Words cannot describe how grateful I am for your help. Now, let's look at 10 ways to respond to thanks, arranged from the least formal to the most formal. Here are the expressions. No problem. No worries. It was nothing. Glad to help. You're welcome. Anytime. Don't mention it. It was my pleasure. It was the least I could do. The pleasure was all mine. That's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like it and share it, and don't hesitate to leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.